Hi, today we are going to talk about education center. So if you're running an education center and looking to track your expenses, then this video is for you. So first of all, let me turn off my webcam and see how we can track the education center expenses. So this is the template that I'm talking about. If you can see in this template, we have got a category section on the top, which lists out different categories. And under each category, we have got a budgeted expense and the actual expenses being reflected. And underneath this, we have got a table where you can list all the expenses as per the different categories. So in order to change the budgeted expense amount, just simply click on this value and you can update the budgeted expense as you type out. And if you want to edit any of these categories, simply click on this pencil icon and you can type out the name of the category and it will be edited for your use case. If you want to delete any of the categories, simply click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted. And if you're looking to add a new category, click on this new page and the new category will add it for your use case. And finally, we have a summary section as well, which shows the total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, which is pulled up from the values at the bottom, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses that has been incurred so far. So this is in nutshell how you can utilize this template to keep track of education center expenses. If you're looking to customize this template or you feel the need to do more with this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.